又放出来了。
没事。Yo, good morning guys. Just started one more day here in Shanghai. So today we are going for the fourth day. Cloud weather again. I think the taxi just arrived here. This one or no? No, that's not my taxi. Fuck, I got the wrong one. Damn. Yo, what up guys, one more day here. Now it's 5 o'clock in the morning, 5:20 to be honest. And I'm going all the way to laoximen. The weather is pretty sexy here. It's like a cloud weather. But yeah, nothing will change. I think it will be the same. So today I bring 2 films actually. Like I was trying to make in a order of the films that we shoot, but today is just too cloudy. I cannot shoot with ISO 50 because if I do that, the photos will be too dark and it's not my idea to do that. So I decided to bring like, I don't know, 480, 800 signed steel film. I don't know which one I'll use, but probably one of both. Maybe I don't know. I need to see which one is this. No, this one I shot yesterday, 400 ISO. So I have this one, signed steel film, the 800. Hope it works well, but anyway. Let's go there, let's check how is laoximen today, and it's pretty early in the morning, and yeah, we're going for the 4th day in a row. Not so much battery today. I don't know if you can still making videos, but that's something cool. There are some guys selling products there. Today is holiday in China, most of the scenes are closed, but anyway, every time they would come at the same time it's closed as well. Alex is already there. He said he's on exit number 7, so I'm just walking there. Most of the time we stop on exit number 1. I think he saw me, and this time he's on the 7. But anyway, let's keep moving. Let's see what we can explore here today in Shanghai. But 5 o'clock again. Let's go to laoximen, just have a walk and inside and see if we capture something interesting today. Today is like holiday. The lights are shit, but not as yesterday, to be honest. But yeah, let's keep moving. Let's go further. Didn't wake up with the bazooka.
Not even with bazooka he woke up. I'm sure he's drunk.
I thought with the one click he will wake up.
Yeah, I also thought so. I think he has good sleep in his Mianbaoche.
Yeah. I got it. His name is Birdman. We came here like almost like 4 days in a row. That's the 4th day. And since the first day he was there, the first day we came, he was sitting there. So the second day he showed us our bird. Yesterday his mood was not so good. He was just like, okay, but today maybe it's holiday, so he brings the bird outside again. And today he has his friend here talking with him. That's pretty good. Now he has 3 birds in hand and he always play with that. It's like something pretty cool that we met this guy here. And we always come at the same time and he say, oh, you come here every day, guys. And yeah, we got some photos of him. Alex is changing his film right now. So he's using Portra 800. Today the lights was not the best, as I said, but enough to get some good photos, you know. That's the bird, man, look. No. No, yeah, I'm afraid of the bird, so nah, that's not a good idea. No, 太厉害。So 你家里也有几个？3个。
我比他大，我养了2年了。
他一个月。
我养一只呀。
上次就会飞回来的。
飞过来了。
那我养有嘞，因为那我嘞还有嘞。
飞过来会来吗？
有小鸡子了。
小雕嘛，老雕有的。
跟侬有老雕不晓得。
They're talking about the
现在
birds.
不想了，侬那比侬自己回来不想。 From here you can have idea about laoximen, how it looks like. So yeah, we just walk all the way here and walking. There's one guy there with the bike. So every day we just like, we are on the 4th day now of this project. It's cool because we start to know the people. It's already like pretty dead. As you can see, the window is just like red. There is not so many people there as well. So you see everything's closed. But anyway, that's the end of this part of laoximen. We came always from the other side. As you can see here, like if you check here, Alex is there. Yo, Alex. He left. Went there. Go check then. That direction, left. And then there is a building there, as you can see, the tower, the Pudong side. It's a pretty awesome area, but I'm sure maybe sooner or later won't exist this anymore. So this is the last part here in the Shanghai downtown that is still like kind of old. But yeah, let's keep moving. Alex is trying to find a guy there, take a photo. But yeah, that's the day. Now it's 6:52 and I'm almost off the finish of my row. That's it, we finished the film. I just went to the small market to try the sign still, so it was a bit dark, but they say it's like 800 ISO, so why not go there inside and shoot some photos, but to check the results. But anyway, now it's like 7 o'clock in the morning. We are here at Xintiandi, probably get a breakfast. Today's Friday, is holiday here in China, so most of the places are, it's kind of different than in normal life, you know, like. But yeah, 4th day is done. Alex is coming, he can resist on that. And yeah, let's keep moving, and hope you guys like today. Today was just a piece about what we did so far, and then let's go for the 5th stage tomorrow. Hope see you soon. Peace and love.